How to use kinesthetic learning in the classroom. Have you ever wondered how to make learning more engaging for students who thrive on movement? Kinesthetic learning is all about using physical activities to help students absorb information. This method is especially effective for those who learn best by using their bodies and senses. Let's look at how you can incorporate kinesthetic learning in your classroom. First, think about integrating movement into your lessons. Simple activities like stretching, jumping jacks, or even short walks around the classroom can keep students focused and energized. Movement helps kinesthetic learners stay engaged. Next, consider hands-on activities. These interactive tasks allow students to manipulate objects. For instance, in a science class, students can conduct experiments or simulations. This approach helps them grasp abstract concepts in a tangible way. Another fun method is role-playing. You can have students act out historical events, literary scenes, or scientific processes. This allows them to embody the material, making it more memorable and enjoyable. Using manipulatives and models is also a great idea. Provide tactile learning aids like building blocks, puzzles, or interactive models. These tools enable students to physically interact with concepts, enhancing their understanding. Flexible seating arrangements can make a big difference too. Allow students to choose seating that suits their comfort, like standing desks or balance balls. This flexibility accommodates their need for movement during lessons. Technology can also play a role. Use interactive simulations or virtual experiences to engage kinesthetic learners. Virtual reality and augmented reality applications can provide immersive educational experiences that captivate their attention. Encourage physical note-taking methods. Students can take notes using mind mapping or creating diagrams. This reinforces their learning while catering to their preference for hands-on engagement. When planning lessons, keep them short. Breaking lessons into smaller segments helps kinesthetic learners stay focused and engaged. This way, they can absorb more information without feeling overwhelmed. Incorporating real-life objects into your teaching can make learning more tangible. Use everyday items to demonstrate scientific principles or historical artifacts to illustrate events. This approach connects lessons to the real world. Arts and crafts activities are another excellent way to engage kinesthetic learners. Encourage students to express their creativity through models, art related to the lesson, or writing stories. This not only makes learning fun but also reinforces the material. Lastly, don't forget about outdoor activities. Whenever possible, take lessons outside. Outdoor learning can improve focus and concentration, especially for kinesthetic learners who benefit from fresh air and movement. By using these strategies, you can create a more engaging and effective learning environment for kinesthetic learners. Incorporating movement, hands-on activities, and real-life connections will help all students thrive in your classroom.